Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we are going to be working on this Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're going to be working on this 1998 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to be doing a little bit of road trip prep for it because I'll be driving about 900 miles down to the central coast of Florida to do some video work for a little bit. So I need to change the oil out today. I've got some seafoam I want to add to the crankcase. I actually got a new air filter for it. I need to rotate the tires on it because I try and do that every time I do the oil change just to keep them nice and even wear. So that's the plan today. I'm gonna clean it up as I go. I definitely need to wash the truck because it's dirty. We've got spider webs all up. There's the spider. Thanks for making a home on my truck. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a really cheap oil change this time because I'm gonna change the oil again when I get back from this trip after doing it'll only be about 2,000 miles, so I might stretch it out to 3,000, but if I decide to do that, basically the reason I'm gonna do this cheap oil change is because I'm gonna run seafoam in the crankcase again, and I'm gonna let it obviously be in there for the duration of the road trip. I'll be putting some good highway miles on it, getting the motor nice and warm, and allowing the seafoam to hopefully clean it up. And then that's why I said when I get back, I will go ahead and do another oil change with probably Toyota oil. And then hopefully the seafoam, when I take out the old oil, will have done its job and cleaned out more residue and all that good stuff. Oil change is now done. I'm gonna go ahead and put a new air filter into the air box. It was a little add-on cheap thing for my oil change, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop a new one in. Oof, yeah, probably time. There's the old one. What is that? Little acorn shell. Here's the new one. Definitely looks better. Pretty sure this is the orientation here. There we go. Lift the tabs, back up and over. New air filter. Also got new windshield wipers. Figure it'd be a good time. Swap these out. Well guys, we are back here in sunny Clearwater, Florida. It's been about a year since I've been here, and I'm down this time filming a TV show about a high school football team, and a few of the players I'm following along and capturing game footage, their day-to-day and things of that nature. So I'll be down here in Clearwater for a little bit, and the truck made it. We made it the almost 600 miles down here. The only thing I noticed was that the power steering is the power steering rack. The rack and pinion is most definitely leaking, and I brought literally everything I would need to do basically an entire rack and pinion swap out here on the road in case it failed while I was on this road trip. So I have jack stands, tools. I have basically, like I said, everything to get the job done. Fortunately, we made it here. It's not a fast enough leak where I am gonna run out immediately, but I do have to top it off just about once every other time I fill up gas. So definitely something that needs to be addressed, but I wanted to let you guys know that I made it down here to Clearwater. The road trip was a success. The truck did phenomenal, and I'll be down here just doing my thing, doing some film work for the next couple weeks, and I've got another video coming out here soon. I'm going to be updating, doing a new rig update, because I've done a bunch to the camera since I've been on this trip, picked up some new accessories that are going to make life so much easier. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, comment below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Keep elevating. Adios.